Vine.
I'm boarding at the windows, looking at my heart. Start nodding my head like yeah, moving my hips like yeah.
Hey guys, it's me, Juliet.
And today I have a really depressing video for you guys. Okay, wait, I'm actually getting rich right now. Like, I don't know if it's my eyelash.
Or what, but we're doing a Rip Vine makeup tutorial, as you've seen by the title. 2017 was terrible, and I'm filming this in 2017, so this tutorial is probably going to be terrible. But Vine really got me through. If you want to see my liked videos, I have 1,000 videos liked. Approximately half are Rip Vine compilations. Don't check that, but a lot will be. I'm gonna make a lot of Vine references throughout this video, so if you don't like Vine, then why are you watching? Like, please go if you don't like Vine. I really want to put a disclaimer, I don't like Leaf Pawns. We're not going to speak of her. Vine deserves a cute look that everyone will love. And I'm just like, love you, Vine. So yeah, we're going to start this tutorial. I'm taking this primer. I don't know if this is in focus. I don't really care anymore. And it's the Shadow Insurance, so I'm just taking a little bit of this on my eye. If it would come out, yeah. Oh my god, I poured way too much. And I'm gonna blend it in with this little brush. Guys, I really hope this is in focus though, because I got a new camera, as you can probably tell. And if this is not in focus, then I'm re-filming this whole video because I love Vine too much for that. Like, I've spent too many days crying over how much I love Vine to give it a bad video. So now I'm just going to take the Sephora Pro palette. And I'm using the Sephora Pro palette and Jaclyn Hill palette if you didn't know. I'm really sorry, guys. I just don't have a single shadows. I should buy them from ColourPop, but I'm just taking the white and the Sephora Pro palette editorial. Sorry. This is what the palette looks like. First, I'm just using this Morphe Copper Dreams brush right here, and I'm just going to be blending the transition shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette into my crease. It is this one in the... You're just gonna blend this out, almost like Twitter. Blend it out. Vine from existence and stole our hearts. And don't blend it out too rough, like a pain. Just pretend that the pain was light and just blend really. Just blend really lightly and effortlessly. The shade MF Yo. I'm just blending that in the outer bit. I'm just going to keep grabbing more color until the buildup is where I want it. I don't want this to be too dramatic because I am going to add more colorful shades to represent Vine. And yeah. If you don't love Vine, then leave. Like, don't. Just go. Just leave. So now I'm taking this Real Techniques brush. I don't know what set. It came in a set. I don't know. And it's this. I don't know. And I'm not taking any color, and I'm just blending the edges.
And now, okay, surprisingly, this is a really easy makeup tutorial. I can do this, so you can too. You just want to get a packing brush like this. This is what it is. It's in the copper. All my brushes are either Real Techniques from palettes or Copper Dreams. I'm actually probably going to buy some from BH Cosmetics because they are more reliable, but for now, this is what we're dealing with. So now I'm taking Pool Party in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just like, seriously packing that in the front, like so. And as you can see, it's kind of not patchy, it's just not the most pigmented. Like I feel like in the Jaclyn Hill palette, most are really good, just some of the colors really need them.
Now I'm just getting more of the first two transition shades and really just blending them in the outer crease because I need them. Now, I'm taking that same packing brush and just taking Enchanted in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm kind of just putting that in the out. It kind of creates like an ombre. Hopefully I did this on the other eye. I'm kind of forgetting. I'm kind of bringing it out because this shade is the one I'm bringing out, so... So I'm just keep packing it because it is very patchy. Oh my god, it's so patchy. You can just see by the blending how much I'm working for it and how much I'm packing it to get full color, and it's just not wanting to cooperate. So now I know. It's like, okay, well this is like a Jaclyn Hill palette tutorial. Like you're really not. No. So now I'm mixing, oh why am I doing it? I'm mixing lime green and blue to make a mixture of Vine, because Vine is not a green and it's not a blue. It's like right in the middle. Grabbing a little bit more blue though than green. And I'm just blending this into the crease just so they can all get blended, because I really like the mattes in the Sephora Pro palette, I will say. I'm packing more Enchanted. So yeah, I'm just gonna pack a little bit more. Now I'm taking a little makeup wipe and just cleaning all the fallout. And I know it's dirty, so please stop. Blending it outwards like so, and I'm just cleaning it up again. The musical song that Sharpay sings to Troy in High School Musical 2. yeah, I don't know why I got that confused. Fake fan, guys. Fake fan alert.
So now what I'm gonna do is I do this technique a lot, and this, I know this, you're gonna be like, it looks similar to your other look, but I'm just taking the Shape Tape and using that as a liner, but I'm making a liner and then kind of connecting it around my eye, like a matte look. And this just pretty much is a complete hack if you don't have white liner, because I spend a lot of money on this camera. I don't have money for makeup now. I don't have any more gift cards to spend. I spent them, you know, so little hack. And I'm not gonna speak during this because, oh my god, I'm gonna fail.
Now what I'm gonna do is I'm not setting it with powder because that's what productive people do, and I'm not doing that. I'm setting it with the glitter. Now, if you don't know, the Sephora Pro Palette shimmers are pretty much glitters, chunky, like me. So I'm just coating the outer in this. Okay, so now as you can tell, this side I kind of made it blue. So what I'm gonna do is just basically take this minty a brush, like right here, and I'm just taking the light blue in the Sephora Pro palette that I used earlier, and I'm just going over it. I should have done this before, but I kind of forgot, so like just leave me alone. You can tell on this side I attempted the V. You don't need to do the V, guys. You don't have to do this little V. This is actually pretty hard to do. So I'm not gonna do it because I only want it on one eye. But basically what I did was I did the same technique with the liner and I just sketched out a little V. That's what I did. So now the emerald again, enchanted in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm again repacking it on because it literally has like it just is gone. We have bananas and avocados. It's not a face. I die every day. Wait. Oh my god, you can tell I'm home alone from this video. You guys actually get to see how pale I am because in all my other videos I really don't look that pale. But like guys, when I say in real life I am pale, I am literally oh my god, I don't even want to talk about it. It just is how dumb I am. I forget to put on mascara after my lashes. I assume you would do that too, but it's okay. I'm just cloning my lashes. I'm gonna use this MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. I'm gonna be using this Dior Skin, this Dior foundation. Yeah, I'm just gonna be using it. It is too dark. Again, I said I'm really pale. I'm really pale. I'm doing 2 squirts. Guys, I'm not lying when I say I'm pale. Yeah, Julia, you're pale. You know, I always knew you were a pear. I'm real pale, okay? Guys, I'm like the palest in my family. I mean, I don't know. Stop attacking me.
I'm a liar. Now I'm going to be taking Shape Tape. I'm taking it, I don't know. I'm just going to take it and put it under my eyes. And put it like this on my face. Okay, I know I'm going to get I'm not going to get attacked. I have no subscribers. It's really cakey. And it's not, guys, it's not the way I'm doing it. It just looks really cakey because it's a full coverage concealer. But a lot of YouTubers use way too much. I might even use a little bit overboard, but some YouTubers just go way because they have studio light and stuff. But still, like, I think that looks cute. I'm liking that. Again, I'm pretty sure this looks better on camera than I actually do right now, but I'm not sure. Because I'm kind of working out lately.
Just for that. Now I'm taking this MAC powder, and guys, taking a cool tone blush because it's a cool toned eye look, and I'm using this e.l.f. palette, and I'm taking this little bent brush blush, and I don't know, and I don't know if this will bind you or whatever. I'm gonna take like this one right there, and this is like really pigmented, so I'm not gonna take in too much. Just kidding, I always go overboard with brush blah. Guys, I really can't speak. Hey guys, I just set my face with this cute Cover FX mattifying spray because I have oily skin, but still wanted it today. I kind of want to smoke the lower lash line to be like rip because Twitter killed it. I hate you, Twitter. God, no, I love Twitter, sorry. But like, why would you kill my favorite platform ever? Like, I hate you for doing that. Anywho. I'm just going to be taking the blue and green and then the black in the palette, and we'll see where that takes us. I'm using this brush because, I don't know. So now that we have that, I'm going to zoom you guys back out because I look disgusting. And I'm just going to put on the roller lash.
For the bottom lashes, am I the only one? I cannot be the only one who does lower lashes way too intense. Like, I always do it, and I think it looks good, and then it like gets everywhere. Like, I don't know, I love it. I can't stop.
I really hope you like this video, and I hope you like how more laid back I am and not like stiff I am, because before I was like, hi guys. So yeah, I hope you don't mind my jokes, and guys, I will be doing more. I will be doing a series of inspired looks by stuff I love, from stupid stuff to actually stuff you care about. I'll be doing that, and I'm also gonna be doing some makeup comedy for those videos because I really have one I'm doing, and I'm so excited. So yeah, bye.